The winners of the 67th annual Carolopolis Awards have been announced, and you're not going to believe some of these restorations. What's up, everybody? I'm Bill Olson, your favorite YouTubing Charleston Realtor, and today we have a very special video because we have the announcement of the winners of the 67th Carolopolis Awards. Every year, the Preservation Society of Charleston gives out their awards which seek to promote excellence in historic preservation. This year, 18 awards were handed out to some incredible projects in the categories of exterior, interior, and pro merito, which is properties that have received the award within the past 20 years and have maintained a high standard of preservation, or they've gone through a second renovation. So let's take a look at this year's winners. Now, if you've got a project that you're doing or one that you know of and you want to nominate them for award, I'm going to throw the link down below to their website so you can throw that in there. And yes, they do allow and encourage self-nominations. So let's preserve this wonderful city that we have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.